Hey mate, the issue we're having here, and I wasn't too sure it was going to happen because I thought, you see the steering wheel controls were like working okay, is that they're actually still going into the CAN bus here. And that's sort of stuffing everything up. So what we're going to sort of need to do is, I know you chop these two wires here and you hook them direct to the wires under here. The problem is that these wires go into the CAN bus and then like back into the system. So the two wires that sort of we actually want to use are the Key1 and Key2 wires, which if you look at your black plug here and you count in from the edge, they're 1, 2, 3, they're plug 4 and like 5. So you can see in like this case they're brown and like a black one. So if you're counting when the things on top here, 1, 2, 3, the pin 4 and pin 5. Now what we need to do is I'm not sure because you didn't change your harness over, but we did send that extra harness nut to you. And if you do use the other harness, you can just use like these two wires. If you want to use your original harness still, you'll just have to check where these wires go, and you can sort of cut them like both. But basically, the black and white and the white have to hook to these ones, Key1 and Key2. So it's going to go direct from there into our black plug. So you can either use the other harness we sent you, or you can keep your same harness in the car, and you'll just have to find those two off the black plug, chop them and hook them to those two. And then once that's done, is you'll actually have to come into your head unit here, and you'll have to do a manual steering wheel control learning, which is you just need to go into your settings, car infotainment, steering wheel control, and then if you push volume up, will start to flash, and then you push volume up on your volume up on your control, and it will go to solid color, and that means it's been learned, and you can just go through and do that for each key. So you press volume up here, it flashes, and you go to your steering wheel and you press volume up, and that'll go a solid color.